When the music stopped, I grinned so wide my cheeks hurt. I wasn't the loudest or the fanciest, but I danced. I did it! Maybe I'll dance again tomorrow.
Do you want to publish your very own children's book today? Yep, you heard me. Today. Not next week and not next year. Today. No illustrator, no publisher, no long nights, no software. All you need is your imagination and ReadKidz. ReadKidz isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete publishing studio that fits right in your browser. It's for everyone. Parents, teachers, dreamers of all kinds. Anyone who's ever said, I've always wanted to make a book someday. Well, now you can. You don't need to draw, design, or even know formatting. ReadKidz handles all that automatically. Makes your book look like it's straight from a professional publisher. This one platform uses AI to help you write, illustrate, format, and even publish your book into KDP in just a few hours. Curious to know how you can do it? Here, let me show you.
Talk to me through your screen. Let your avatar live that dream. With twin truth flow, they'll move so clean, like a jazz solo in a digital scene. Oh, talk to me and teach the world. Make your character sing, make your voice be heard.
Click the link in the description box if you would like to follow along. You can sign up with your Google account. All right, guys, so you can actually start this completely free with access to writing prompts, daily check-ins, and you can even earn points that you can redeem for premium features just for showing up and creating every day. What I love most is how professional everything looks. The templates, the layout, even the illustrations, all automatically adjust for perfect story flow. You can write, edit, and illustrate your story right inside ReadKidz without switching between a bunch of different apps. Trust me, ReadKidz is powered by advanced AI, so your story ideas turn into full color illustrations and polished text in seconds. No hiring, no waiting, no stress. I'm telling you. The best part, ReadKidz now helps you list directly with KDP. Your story can reach the world in just a few clicks. Yes, KDP, Amazon, Kindle, right away. Okay? With ReadKidz, you can go from an idea to a beautifully illustrated storybook ready for Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, all in one place. All right, to get started, we're going to start on the home page. Select Create a Book. We're going to click the single book. You can select between the age group, the story type, the story theme, which is determined by the story type, first person or third person, and human and non-human like features, okay? So I'm just going to select 4 to 6 years old. I'm going to select activities as my story and dancing as the theme, first person and human like features. So then the app is going to use AI to jot out the rest of your story. So in step 2, you're going to choose your style. They have multiple styles here. I'm going to go with Pixar style. They have fairy tale, dreamy, soft glow, sketchy. So I'm going to go with Pixar style. Hit next. All right, so in this step, we're now going to pick our characters. So we're just going to generate our characters. They give you a few options for you to choose from. You can regenerate as need be. Once you have your characters, select next. It then gives you your storyboard. Once you have your storyboard, you're then going to go in and create individual images for each page. So you're going to do this by selecting the generate box. It is then going to pop out an image per page. And you can edit these images. You can regenerate the images. You can change the size, you can rotate the color, you can edit anything that you want pretty much, okay? They do have a price list to let you know how much it costs to generate the images, generate the video, to edit, how many points, how many credits. So that's a really great tool. Once you have your full book, you are then going to generate your video, and it's going to pull it all together for you as a picture book. This is so cool. You can even add audio for each character, or if you want to add a narrator. So it's really cool. Now, another cool part is you can add effects, animation, and even background music. This is going to be perfect to upload to YouTube for faceless content. Here's a list of pricing. Of course, they have a free program. They have the standard, the pro, and the mega. And they even have a comparison chart so you can see what you get with one membership versus the other one, okay? Again, really great app, one-stop shop. Click the link in the description and get started today. You can make money on Amazon and YouTube with one book. All you have to do is add audio and background music. You can even animate the entire book right here on ReadKidz. You can animate it. So it's pretty cool. I'm telling you guys, check out the pricing. Check out ReadKidz. Once you download your video, you should actually get something like this.
First dance.
Hello, I'm Fred. I'm a small green frog who lives at Willow Pond. Most frogs are jumpy and loud, but I'm a quiet one. I like watching the fish, hiding under lily pads, and listening to the soft plip-plop of rain. One sunny day, a poster floated by. Dance contest, tonight, it shouted in bright big letters.
Dance contest tonight.
My heart did a flip. Oh, a dance contest sounded fun, but I'd never danced in front of anyone before. My legs felt shaky even thinking about it. All day, I watched my friends practice. Lily leapt high, Max spun in the puddles, and Bella twirled on a rock. Come dance with us, Fred, they called. I wanted to say yes, but I just wiggled my toes and peeked from behind a leaf.
There you have it. So whether you are a parent, a teacher, or just a dreamer with a story to tell, ReadKidz makes publishing simple and fun. Join today, start for free, and turn your imagination into your very first book. Who knows? Your story could be the next bedtime favorite. Hit the like button if you've learned something new today, and subscribe if you're ready to launch your own faceless content, and comment below, I'm ready, if you're ready. All right? Until next time.